And I wanna, could you be the one? Shh. Good, good. Good, good. Could you be the one?
Hello to everyone, especially to my grade 10 students. Today I will be discussing about division of polynomials using synthetic division. But before that, I ask your permission to allow me to remove my face mask. So I'm alone here in this classroom so that I can deliver it clearly for you guys. Okay, so I'm doing this especially to the ORL students. So you are online, so this is an additional discussion so that you can review the lesson about this topic. Okay guys, so let's begin.
A few moments later.
Hello to everyone. Today we will discuss about division of polynomials using synthetic division. So I prepared two questions that I'm going to explain today. How to divide using this method. So all you have to do is please pay attention. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, divide 2x squared minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 over x plus 2. Okay. So as you will see, the question is written in rational expression. So we have the numerator and the denominator. We can write this in different way. So since we are using synthetic division, first you are going to check whether the exponent is arranged in descending order. So we have 3, 2, 1, and constant. So meaning the polynomial is written in standard form. The same with the denominator. Now, if we will use synthetic division, we just only take the numerical coefficient of each term. So we will get the numerical coefficient. So the numerical coefficient of x cubed, we have 2. The numerical coefficient of x squared, we have -3. X, we have 4. Then the constant is 5. So while here, to find our divisor, of course we have x plus 2. So we are going to equate it to 0, then solve for x. So that will be our divisor. So to do that, we have x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then applying the addition property of equality or subtraction property of equality. So we have now x equals -2. So here we will use -2 as our divisor. Okay? So let's start. If we have this one, -2. So first is bring down 2. And then multiply 2 times -2, we have -4. Okay? And then we are going to add -3 plus -4 equals -7. Then -7 times -2, the answer is 14. And then add, the answer is 18. Then 18 times -2 equals -36. Then after that, add equals -31. So the last entry is your remainder. So this is now the remainder. Okay. So to write the final answer of this, so we have now the highest exponent is 3, so just subtract it by 1. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. So this will serve as your numerical coefficient. So 2x raised to the second power minus 7x plus 18. Then so we have a remainder of -31. So minus 31, that will be your numerator, over you are going to use again this as your denominator, x plus 2. So this is now the final answer of your question number 1. Okay guys? So let's try another one. Let's proceed to question number 2. Negative 8x squared plus 4x cubed minus x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 1. Look at that. The exponent here is greater than the first term. So all you have to do is you're going to rearrange that. So it can be written as 4x squared, 4x cubed rather, minus 8x squared minus x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 1. Now, in synthetic division, you are going to get the reciprocal, the numerical coefficient of each term. So we have 4, negative 8, we have negative 1, and then 5. Then our divisor will be, we will equate this to 0. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So I'm going to show you. So here, 2x minus 1 equals 0. Then transpose negative 1, so 2x equals 1. Divide by 2 both sides, x equals 1. So we have here 1. Okay, so let us now start the division process. First, bring down 4. 4 times 1/2 equals 2. Add, so we have negative 6. Multiply negative 6 times 1/2 equals negative 3. Then add, we have negative 4. Multiply, we have negative 2. Then add, we have positive 3. So this is again your remainder. Okay? Now, the highest exponent here in the question is 3. So just subtract 1 to write your final answer. So as I said, this is the numerical coefficient. So we have now 4x squared minus 6x minus 4. So since the remainder is 3, positive, so 3 over, then we have now 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. So this is now your final answer. Okay. Another thing, class, that you are going to remember in using this synthetic division is, if just in case in the given there's a missing term, let's say this is missing, so if you have 2x cubed plus 4x plus 5, so you are going to replace it by 0x squared. Okay, you are going to build up the missing term by 0x, depends on what exponent is missing. Okay, so I hope you understand these two examples given. Thank you for watching. Bye.